Hello, Oliver Lefke here, and in this video I'm going to be answering a question: can I make money with Forever Living products? Can I make money with Forever Living products? More precisely, in this case, I'm answering a question: can you make money with Forever Living products? Because for me, can I make money with Forever Living? I'm already making money with Forever Living products, so this applies to you watching the video. So I'm answering your question: can I make money? Which means, can you make money with Forever Living? And the simple answer is yes. However, there are some things that you need to know before you start making money working with Forever. Forever Living business owner, you need to become Forever Living business owner first in order to start making money. And becoming Forever business owner, you would need to invest a little bit of money. Now, there's no registration fee, there's no membership fee, there's no cancellation fee, there's no fees involved at all. However, what I meant by invest a little bit of money, just purchase some products from Forever Living Products company. So you do need to have a little bit of money so that you can buy some products first to become Forever business owner, and then you can make money. In addition to that, there's something else required. And this is what you need to know, or what you must know. It's not only that you buy products and you're going to suddenly start making money. This is the first step, and this step is required. However, for you to start making money, you need to put some work in. So you do need to earn that money. It's not that you buy you register, you buy some products, and suddenly money will be coming to you out of nowhere. Absolutely not. You need to earn that money. And how do you earn that money? It's relatively simple, but it would be good, it would be wise to have somebody who can help you, guide you, train you, coach you to make sure you are making that money and not just kind of wondering how this money will come around. So it would be good to have somebody who's going to help you with that. And of course, Forever Living has took care of that for you, because when you register with Forever Living, you get assigned a sponsor, and sponsor is a person who's going to be responsible to helping you, coaching you, training you in this process of you building your business, making money with Forever Living. And if you have a sponsor, if you have somebody who introduced you to Forever and you're happy with that person and you have a trust that this person can help you, that's wonderful. Now, if you don't have a sponsor, then I can help you with that, because I've been with Forever for a long time, and I'm one of the top distributors here in North America, and I can teach you, guide you, train you, coach you in the process of you making money with Forever Living Products company. So you would register and I would be your sponsor, and then I would be helping you with the process. So once you register, registration is free. Once you register, you would buy some products to get started. Once you buy these products, you become Forever business owner, and then you and I would start working together, and I would be helping you in the process to build your business. And some people make a little bit of money, like a few $100s. Some people make no money at all because they don't put any work, or they don't know what to do. And some people make a little bit more money, maybe $1,000, $2,000 per month. Some people make $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 per month, and some people make $10,000 per month. And some people make a lot of money, like $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 per month, even over $100,000 per month. Now, I don't want to scare you with these numbers. That's a lot of money, and it takes time, dedication, and effort to build a serious business with Forever. But some people just want to make $500 or maybe $2,000 per month. And I don't know where you are and what kind of money you're making right now, but in Forever Living, we have many different people who have been making different kind of money with our company. And I've been working with our company for a long time, and I'm making a lot of money, and I can help you as well, because I know exactly what needs to be done, what steps to take. And in addition to that, our team also has a system in place so that teaches you how to work with our company. Not only that, but when you find somebody who is interested and wants to join, that new person can also plug into our system and get the training that's already in place. Make sense? So, to answer your question, can I make money with Forever Living? Or to answer your question, can you make money with Forever Living? I don't know, but probably yes. I don't know, but as long as you are willing to learn and put in the work, then yes, you can make money with Forever Living. But I know some people, they register, they buy the products, and they kind of never put any work into it, and those people maybe never made any money. Now, for those people who are serious and who are interested, who are willing to work and who are willing to learn, then if you are one of those people, and when you join our team and our system, then I can almost guarantee you that you can and you will make money with Forever Living Products Company. So hopefully this answers your question, and now you should be able to determine for yourself whether you can make money with Forever Living Products Company. If you would like to join, then look under this video, look for a link that explains more, and then how to join Forever Living Products and how to join me and our team. Thank you for stopping by to check out this video, and I look forward to seeing you in another one.